Guys, this is what friends do. You know, he's Paul is from Australia. He knows me from YouTube, right?
Yep.
All right. And Paul, tell.
Guys, welcome to Uncle Chan's beach, mate. It's beautiful. The sunset's fabulous. The beer's icy cold.
Nice one.
I recommend everybody come down. If you want a cold beer and a beautiful sunset, come and see Uncle Chan.
So you know me from YouTube, eh?
I know Uncle Chan from YouTube. Follow all his YouTube posts, and great guy.
What do you think about the YouTube though? Is it not too much?
No, it's not too much. No, it's great. You know, a lot of information, and everybody gets to see what's happening.
Yeah.
And icy cold beers.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much, sir. And is this your first time, or?
No, I've been to Bali many times.
Many times.
First time to see Uncle Chan, and guaranteed, I've already booked for tomorrow, so I'm coming back.
There we go, everyone. We take care of you guys for
Uncle
sure.
Chan, number one.
The number one. Don't feel stranger if you're in Bali. Come meet out local people, make friends with local people, and they will take care of you guys. It's not only me. There's so many local people in here. Just make friends with them, and you will feel like really welcome in Bali. That's the good things about Bali. You right?
Uncle Chan, number one.
Thank you, brother. Cheers, Paul.
Cheers.
Guys, we have Nick in here and Mark, and then what's your name again? Riley in here. Yes, thank you guys for coming. Yeah, we're gonna blow up this, guys. This is gonna be how many salt is this?
100.
100 for hotel. Are you ready, Daddy? Huh? Are you ready? Itu harus ditanam nggak? Itu harus ditanam nggak? Nggak. Oh, all right. You guys ready? Hey, get ready your camera.
We are ready and ready.
All right. Oh, you got your own GoPro. Jeez, guys, those guys are vloggers as well. Let's go, follow. Ah, one more bintang. That's okay. Let's go get a bintang. One more bintang. Well, guys, next time if you see my video, if you watch this video, next time if you wanna come to the beach or looking for a beach bar, you're welcome, guys, to come. I'm just gonna grab one beer for my customers. Yeah. There we go. Let's go. We're gonna grab these to give this to the guy. This is gonna be a big 100 shot. Ooh, there we go. There we go. 100 shots, everybody. Woo! New Year. Whoa! Oh, luckily the smoke has got that way. It's barbecue over there. Well, thank you guys for the fireworks. Yeah. There we go. How many to go? I guess it's another 80 to go. Nice one. Everyone is on the camera. Woo! Still some more coming. Whoa, that's fun. Woo! Is that it? Thank you so much for that. It's 100?
I know, that seems so quick.
Yeah, it feels like 20 or something.
We better come back with some more tomorrow.
Yeah, hey, bring some more, guys.
One bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bomb. That's a bomb. All right, thank you so much, guys, for that.
That is no worries. And we can't do it back home, so we won't
Really?
do it here.
There we go.
Yeah, not allowed back home.
Here you can do below 10 p.m.
Oh, okay, so after 10 p.m. we're not allowed to.
Yeah, if you get fined,
Yeah.
it's $250.
But at least you can do it. We're not allowed to do it at all.
Yeah,
It can only
yeah.
be a pyrotechnic.
Here's the case.
Oh, that's why we love Bali.
Tomorrow, Mark going to
Come back
bring
with
the
some
bomb.
more. Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you again.
Good chance.
Guys, they're in trouble. Next time, if you celebrate your birthday, party, wedding, married,
Don't find me.
fireworks. Here we go. This is the man over here. This is small one, guys. This is small. Normally there are. I mean, you can buy a big one, but this one is a small one. And we have another hour because above 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. we are not allowed to light the firework. But before 10, then we can light firework on the beach. Apa tuh? Here we go. I don't know how loud is this, how big is this?
Oi.
Yeah. Oish! Mamma mia! Just for starting, guys, a small one. Happy birthday! Oh, let's go follow Daddy. Hey, Red, mana Red? The first one? Guys, this is a bomb. Hey, so look at this, is a big one. This is a monster. Hopefully the security guy not coming here. How he goes, ready guys? Red, bomb red. Woo!
Nanti yang ini jangan.
Happy birthday. No, the birthday is into the ice. This is just starting. I know some of you maybe disagree about this one, these guys. But yeah. Is that it? Oh, that's quick. Is that a small one?
I'll mess it up. Yeah.
Go. Woohoo! This is even better. That's a nice one.
Look, bomb.
Go. Where is that? Is a bomb start yet?
YouTube.
I'm gonna put it on my YouTube.
What's your YouTube?
It's on the stubby holder.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll check it out. We'll do it.
Sure.
We're setting something up.
Go.
Look. Let's do this.
Guys, bomb. Bomb. This is bomb. Well, this must be really loud, guys. There's this tiny one set up there. Is that the tiny one?
Yeah.
This guy, he will trouble. Yeah, he need a big hole for that bomb. Almost done, almost done, almost done. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. Let's go look around. All right. Ah! Ah! Run, guys, run. Oh no, it's not working. Whoa. What's going on? There's only one. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, guys. That's a big one. Oh. Ooh. Merry Christmas, guys. I'm nervous, guys. Oh, hopefully no security though. Another 5. No, another 2 at least. Ooh. Done, finished. Another 1. Ooh. Finished. That's it. That's a bit scary one. Oh, well done, guys. That was loud.
Yeah, it was quite.
All right, that's quite fun. So, who is getting a birthday?
She's not here.
Dave's daughter.
Oh, right. Why? Is she still in Australia or?
No, she's in the room.
On the room.
Early flight. Yeah, she's
Ah, right.
The birthday's
Getting
not till
ready